transforming raw logs into various sizes and types of lumber using a powerful and precise sawmill machine. Every cutting process requires skill, accuracy, and experience to produce high-quality wooden boards ready for a wide range of applications, from construction and furniture making to woodworking crafts. In this video, you'll witness the complete process of turning raw timber into valuable lumber. Watch as the sawmill operates efficiently, creating clean and precise cuts while maximizing the use of every piece of wood. The combination of modern technology and skilled craftsmanship ensures outstanding results and top-quality products. Stay tuned until the end to see the entire transformation process and discover the fascinating world of wood processing. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing sawmill and woodworking videos.